Welcome to the weekly Q&A Talking Points for December 2nd, 2020 for special educators and related service providers. The talking points for this week include IEP meeting excusal, SE34 update, itinerant services for students who are deaf or hard of hearing, IEP chairperson documents and training, and Transition Thursday updates. IEP meeting excusal. As a reminder, we should be having a duly constituted IEP team meeting attending every IEP meeting. This includes a special educator, general educator, IEP chairperson, and any related service provider supporting that student. That could include speech and language, OT, PT, adaptive PE, music therapist, art therapist, individuals supporting hearing and vision, as well as school psychologists and any other individuals serving that student. If an excusal is needed, please make sure to ask consent from the family prior to excusing that team member. In most cases, the family will provide permission. We'll be able to document this verbal permission in the notes, as well as completing the OIEP excusal form. If a family member does not excuse that individual, we will have to consider whether a team meeting needs to be rescheduled so that individual can be in attendance, or if we are able to proceed with that same meeting with the individual remaining in attendance for the rest of the meeting. The guidance related to IEP meeting excusals comes directly from IDEA, as shown here. Again, it shows that excusals are related to an IEP team member that may be excused from attending an IEP meeting in whole or in part, specific to when the meeting involves a modification to their area of expertise or curriculum. In these cases, IDEA shows that a parent or the local education agency must provide consent for this excusal, and that the team member must submit in writing to the parent and the IEP team input about their area of expertise prior to the development and the IEP meeting. SE34 update. The SE34 form was the agreement for how parents would like to receive 5-day documents prior to the IEP meeting. The SE34 form is no longer needed at this time. During the spring, when we were in continuity of learning, we asked school teams to document parent decisions related to 5-day documents in the IEP meeting notes. This practice will continue. The IEP team meeting notes, the SE7, have been updated to include how a parent would like to receive documents 5 days in advance of a meeting. You'll now see this on the IEP team meeting notes, similar to how we document how a parent would like to receive the parental rights booklet. Because it is now part of the notes, this question will be asked at every IEP meeting. Please note that a parent may prefer one or more options for how to receive documents 5 days prior to a meeting. As it is part of the IEP meeting notes now, there is no signature required. Please ensure that IEP meeting notes are uploaded as quickly as possible after an IEP team meeting, as this is now the way that service providers will have access to finding how information should be sent home to family members. It is important that IEP meeting notes and all other documents are uploaded to OIEP as quickly and efficiently as possible so that team members have a common understanding of all information pertinent to a student's case, including how a parent would like to receive documents. This section serves as a reminder for individuals who are working with students who are deaf or hard of hearing. Please remember that any time an IEP team is discussing assessments for a student who may be deaf or hard of hearing, itinerant teachers of the deaf or hard of hearing must be invited to IEP team meetings. It is imperative that these individuals are included in IEP team meetings, so please ensure that we are coordinating and collaborating schedules so that they can be in attendance. Students require an audiological evaluation, or an audiogram, prior to requesting an evaluation by the itinerant teacher of the deaf and hard of hearing. This evaluation is to see if the educational impact of the student's disability is impacting them After the meeting, a joint referral form must be completed. This slide shows the component of the joint referral form that's specific to itinerant services and deaf of hard of hearing. Please note that you can specify audiological evaluation or evaluation by an itinerant teacher of the deaf and hard of hearing. It provides information for what needs to be attached to this joint referral and where to send it to. The joint referral form can be found on Form Finder under Special Education Services. IEP Chairperson Documents and Training. There are updated resources for IEP chairpersons that are located on the Special Ed website. They're also linked to this weekly talking point slide and include updates to the IEP Chairperson Handbook, an updated IEP Chairperson Meeting Checklist, which shows what to do before, during, and after an IEP meeting, as well as an updated IEP Chairperson Training. A screencast will be coming soon related to this PL. Please share with any administrators or individuals who may be chairing IEP team meetings who may find this helpful. Transition Thursday. Transition Thursday topic, the next topic, is focusing on navigating and presenting the Maryland Transition Planning Guide, the MTPG, at annual IEP meetings. This is going to be held from 3:30 to 4:15. The focus of this will be reviewing the contents of the MTPG, strategies for presenting the MTPG to families at annual meetings, and how to use this to assist with agency linkage decisions. Please consider attending this for any new case managers or veteran case managers who want to develop more understanding and a stronger sense of confidence with presenting information related to MTPG at meetings. All participants will receive workshop pay for attending.